It's Friday day. It's actually no, it's not Friday. It's Wednesday, and that could only mean one thing:
Magic Kingdom.
Magic Kingdom.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another day of Florida Vlogs. Today is Wednesday, and we are into the second week of our trip, and
I'm sad.
we're tired. Everybody's wrecked. People are falling like dropping like flies.
Like a fly.
Yeah, they're dropping like flies. But we're powering through.
But the only one that actually should be tired, and it is tired, it's me. Because I've been working, I've been translating, I've been minding group of 13, I've been driving everywhere. I'm complaining a lot. I'll shut up now.
Okay, so the plan is we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom. We did book Lightning Lanes, so we are heading there now. Just a few of us are going, not many of us, but
Yeah,
we're gonna go in and out of the park anyways. We're not gonna have like a full day. We're gonna have like a half day because we've already done Magic Kingdom.
It's probably not going to
Wednesday.
be even half day as it's 11:15. And I did
Yeah.
say to everyone, we're meeting 10:15.
Well, the tickets are booked for like 2 o'clock, so we're gonna go get coffees when we get in there, and yeah. we're
By the
gonna
way,
go have a good day.
let's show the beautiful estate we are in. What is the name? Because I don't remember.
This is Encore at Reunion Resort.
Oh,
So we are near, we're closer to Disney parks than we are to Universal. We're like down below. We're near actually Celebration Town, which is just before you enter Disney World parks. It's gorgeous. Yeah, it's really nice. Lots of big houses, pools outside. Yeah, really nice clean neighborhood. It's gated as well, so you're not getting any randomers. So yeah, we're gonna go. We're powering through it. We're powering through. You know, some people are struggling. My mom's legs are so swollen. Harry is sick at the minute.
the nephew.
The nephew is sick. So yeah.
I'm sick.
You're a bit sick, yeah, but he is very snotty right now, so we're leaving him behind, which is a pity because he would have loved TRON. I know he would have loved that, but what can we do? We just
Have to gonna come back.
we have to go at their pace as well sometimes. No, we'll leave them behind for now. We'll go there for a few hours, have a nice little early day in the park, and then we'll come back and we'll probably, I don't know, go to maybe the outlets, maybe Disney Springs, maybe we'll wander around iDrive. I think we should go to iDrive, Icon Park maybe. So
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Come along with us for another fun-filled day.
Whee! What are you doing?
Just regular parking?
Just regular, please.
It's gonna be 35. I'll tell you.
Irish person will make a joke.
Does that mean it's free? There is no price, it means it's free.
It must be free. Now, this is something different. Cinderella Castle, only 285,000. And here is the guy actually doing the proper, I don't know how you call that, but he's actually making glassy stuff. That's class.
I'm gonna let this cool down a little bit before I go in for another layer of really hot molten glass on top of here. So I just need this to cool down, be a nice stable core, let some of that color fade away. It's like a really good determining factor of how hot the glass is. So, any questions so far?
What color are you going to make it?
It's gonna be mint. It looks very similar to that.
And there is Elaine and her sister with additional pair of hair.
I'm exactly where I should be.
There is exactly where she should
In
be.
the,
Yeah.
in the place that makes the tiaras.
Can you fit anything else on your head?
I could also fit a cap on my head as well. Oh, it's stuck.
Did you see the guy making glass there?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
class, isn't it?
Amazing.
It's only 285
Yeah,
grand.
that's all. Now imagine having that in your house though. Yeah.
Oh, you want to have some?
You'd want to have it,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. See, it'd be nice for us to get something like this for the house, like, you know, just like a little ornament. Or this.
For the house?
Yeah.
I say for the house we should
souvenir.
get this. America, yeah, coming again to save them day, yeah.
Okay, Team America. I love this. This is cute.
How much?
69,
69.
not including tax, so 70 something.
47. Yeah, they are pretty things.
There.
Cinderella.
The Cinderella castle would
The
actually.
Cinderella actually
Oh,
carriage
I
is
love
lovely.
that, yeah.
You see, I'm actually battling. Should I go to the hat shop and get myself that hat?
I think you should. I think it.
I used to
like,
wear
as a
hats all the
souvenir.
time. You
Yeah.
would never see me not wearing a hat, but I'm going to be perfectly honest, back in 2020, I got my hair done. Because at the age of 20, I started losing hair, so since then, I don't wear hats. But back in the days, I was always wearing hats.
Look, look, look. Because we just got married here, so this, like, something like this would be perfect.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah, or like, actually this one.
That's gorgeous.
$250. Okay, grand.
It's not bad, it's just, I'll be afraid.
Ring it up.
I'll be afraid, kind of, transporting that back to Ireland. I mean, should be fine if
Carry
it's
it
properly
on.
secured.
Yeah, you would not put that in your suitcase.
Shall we get it?
$250.
Shall we get it? Let's ask my mom.
Oh, no.
Mother,
No.
should we get it? Czy powinniśmy to kupić?
It's $250.
$250. Just married. Nowożeńcy. I'm translating to 2 languages basically, so yeah. Let's sleep with it.
First time to try corn dog, mini corn dogs from Casey's Corner. And they're actually really good. I thought they would be disgusting. I was like, every time I seen them, I was like, oh no. But it's actually really nice. Yeah, they're really good. Like sweet and savory mix. And we've got Piano Man right next to us here as well. We're about to ride TRON. We're eating these before we ride TRON. Might not be a good idea. Oh well. We just done Philharmagic and we are about to head to ride TRON right now. We got fast passes, so we're going to go skip to queue. Today is a Wednesday and it is 2:20 and crowd levels are not too bad on a Wednesday, I have to say. Like, it's a busy park here every day, but it's so much busier than it is today, so the fact that we are able to move around is a bonus, although Magic Kingdom is honestly the toughest park to get through. Of all the parks, this is the toughest. So yeah, we're just waiting on my auntie. She is on her way back to us. I'm looking for her. I do, she is. Yeah, let's go ride TRON. We're gonna go ride TRON now. Woo!
So yesterday we said that Guardians of Galaxy, it's cool and chilled, and yeah, we did lie a bit.
Some people thought it was a simulator.
Some
and we
people
just said
thought
no.
it's a stimulator, but they they didn't. They weren't mad, but they were like, okay, that wasn't chilled. So it was on Monday we booked lightning lanes for everyone, but unfortunately we have a couple of people dropping. So
Well, it's okay.
it's okay.
It's okay. We got them all on Guardians of the Galaxy. Me dad and me uncle were like, they couldn't even, like, they had to hold on to stuff getting off. Like, it was hilarious, their reactions. I actually got a video to show them, and they were just like sitting down with their hands on their head like this. Oh. So that was the best reaction. But they did it, so they can say, oh, we've done it, even though it's too much for them. But we got them on it. We did say that last year, we're going to get them all on this ride, even if it's too much for them. So
Yeah,
we did
my
it.
dad so far he's just down for whatever. He doesn't care. He just do
God.
everything. I was like, it's great.
His dad
And my dad
did
is
a Hulk.
my dad is 66 and he jumped on Hulk with me.
Jumped
and
on the Hulk, like, no problem.
pretty much did everything. I said, yeah, it's fine, you'll be grand. I did say, and I was honest with him, I was like, listen, just because you do have a high pressure,
He's
I
high
would
blood
not
pressure.
advise you to
He's
go
like 60
velocicos.
What age is he?
66.
He's 66-year-old man.
I would not advise you go velocicosters, but others, I think you'll be fine. So yeah, he's actually going TRON with us, and we're just about to enter.
What?
Bye!
The music, oh my god. We just did TRON and it was amazing. Sam, did you like TRON? Yes. Unreal. Al, did you like TRON? Chris's mom and dad did it. I can't cope. His mom and dad are doing all the rides and they're in their 60s. Unreal. We literally just ate food beforehand. We had corn dogs and chips, fries, and then we got on it. So there you go. But we had a ball. We're heading out of park now. That's enough for today. The sun is getting to us and we need a midday break. So we've done everything we needed to do here today. We're going to head off home and probably, I don't know, somewhere tonight for drinks. Yeah, so if you've stuck around, thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.